Carl Jung said the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. I really feel like we're in pursuit of our highest personality. We're in pursuit of our God-given personality. We're in pursuit of becoming who we are meant to be, of our future selves, of our destiny purposes. We cannot fully develop into who we are supposed to become without the aid of our spiritual elders, mentors, teachers, guides. We need those people in our lives to help us grow. I'm so blessed to have those people in my life. I'm blessed to be corrected, redirected, and that correction can come from anybody. It can come from coworkers, it can come from family, it can come from spouses, it can come from your children. But specifically, when one seeks out and wants a spiritual teacher and an elder to help them grow, to help them ascend out of duality and into singularity, to refine their characters, when one person seeks somebody out, they're better off. They're going to get it a lot faster. Because we need our duality pointed out to us, because we're all too often blind to it. I truly believe that we cannot come into a place of consciousness and awareness without pain and suffering. I don't think we can ascend into superconsciousness without the suffering that comes with realization. And we cannot truly become real without suffering. And we cannot truly overcome duality without true God consciousness. Lao Tse said, a quote, I want to read it. He said, "The cords of passion and desire weave a binding net around you. Worldly confrontation makes you stiff and inflexible. The trap of duality is tenacious. Bound, rigid, and trapped, you cannot experience liberation." I don't think we'll ever be divine, but we can have states of being in periods of time and consciousness where we experience this totality, this divinity, this feeling of peace. We can experience this when we have total surrender. Some may call it divinity, bliss, or enlightenment, whatever you want to call it. And it's not a state of being that you just get to and then you just stay there forever. This is a state of being that we can experience in a transient time. It comes and it goes. If anyone tells you otherwise, it's just not true, because we are humans battling. We are in that duality. Some people remain in a more constant state of peace. Ascended spiritual masters can remain in that more constant state of peace and totality with themselves and in their God-given personality. But they don't not have moments of coming out of that peace, of that struggle. But ultimately, it is unity that our souls want to experience, because unity brings inner peace and external peace. When the micro is in harmony, the macro world can be in harmony. When we shift from disturbing the peace to creating it, to spreading it, that's when we reach that state of totality.